Hunan Changshin Technology Co., Ltd. Driven by innovation, committed to researching and producing high-quality dimming films, safety dimming glass and other products. Having core technology patents, serving global enterprises, with business coverage in multiple countries and regions. Gathering top talents with over 10 years of experience in this industry, providing comprehensive support for raw material selection, production, research and development, process adjustment, and manufacturing optimization as the cornerstone. Strict, professional, refined, and standardized management models ensure zero defects in the delivery of every product. In the future, Hunan Changshin Technology Co., Ltd. will continue to specialize in PDLC dimming films and explore the future direction of the industry with you. Walk hand in hand to define the future.